In this video, you will learn how to import stock tax information into Turbotax. First, sign in. Make sure to sign in and open your tax return. Log into Turbotax and open a current tax return account. Go to Wages and Income section. Navigate to the section where you've entered your income, often labelled Income and Expenses or Wages and Income. Find the Investment Income section. Look for the part about stocks, mutual funds, bonds, or other. Click Start and Edit and Add. Choose to import your document. Turbotax will ask you if you want to enter your investment sales manually or import them. Select Import from My Bank or Brokerage. Select your brokerage or financial institution. Search and select your brokerage or investment firm from the list. Log into your brokerage account. Enter your username and your password for the broker account to allow Turbotax to securely import your tax documents. Review and confirm imported data. Once it is imported, review the stock sales, dividends and other investment info for accuracy and make sure corrections if necessary. Continue through the rest of your tax return. After verifying your stock's tax info, proceed with the rest of your tax return. Finally, make sure to review and complete and make sure all the information is correct. Now you know how to easily and correctly import stock tax information onto Turbotax. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.